Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining me for another video. I would actually be trying to just add a little life and color to a couple of embossing folders that I had. I'm sorry, embossing paper that I had lying around, and I just want to change the color a little bit. And I will be using what is called a brayer. This is just like a roller, like a painter's roller. Instead, it's this one I use it for card making and just applying color to my pieces. I am going to be using just this multicolor palette here and to see what comes out of it. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be appreciated as well. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you how I will be doing this. So first of all, I'm going to be doing this one here. It's kind of like a wave pattern, but it really doesn't matter. I just want to give it a different look. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to roll the brayer like this on the I think this is green and yellow, or towards the bottom of this here. So I'm trying to get a good distribution here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and just roll it. I'm going to roll onto the paper. Okay, I'm just going to go and roll onto it. I'm not going to start from the rolling on the paper itself. I'm going to start again. I'm going to roll. I'm going to roll some more. I'm just going to go back and forth just so that I can, get a little more coverage on that. I'm just going to flip this one and I'm going to go ahead and roll. Now, this is just, you could use this anyhow. So as you can see, I have changed the background color. I could also do it on the back here, but I prefer this side. So I've changed this. Just very simple, nothing fancy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do this here because I want to be able to take out the extra color. Just gonna wipe this here really quick. And this is a pretty short video, just kind of introducing the brayer, as well as if you have embossed pieces of paper, you just want to change it from the same old and you want to do something a little different, then you can definitely use the brayer, or even distress ink if you want to do that. But today we're going to use the brayer. So this one here, I'm going to go from with the yellow and the pink, or the red, not even sure what color that is. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to start from here and I'm going to go ahead and just roll over. Excuse me. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay. I'm going to roll onto it just to give it a little different color. Roll onto it. And I'm going to just do one the other side. Let me just do one side again. So I'm rolling from on the it's just a piece of paper I laminated. So again, you see, here you are. It's just, I have changed the concept pretty much, the from the plain old white, and I have just given it a little color. And that's all this is. This is just, what you do. So here is a nice little change in color, change in paste. So now I can use it on, a card with that I can match with other colors. So that's one here. So far we have this one, and then we're going to try the last one. Let me just go ahead and wipe off some of this here. And I am going to try the blue and black for the last one. Okay, so again, I'm just going to roll over it. Roll onto it. I'm just going to turn it over just so that I get roll onto it, and I'm going to do the sides. That's because I just want it to look, you know, like evenly distributed. Let's try this side here. Okay, so there you go. Look at the difference. So this now I can use anywhere I want to. I can cut it in half. I can use it as strips. So this is just basically using the brayer to change the face of your embossed pieces of paper that you want to, you know, just give a change or a lift, so you could use them on something else. So this is basically all with this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate those of you who have commented or given a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next Sunday. Stay safe. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas, and look forward to seeing you next Sunday in the new year. Bye bye.